All right, part 4, my lucky number, on business planning. So, in order to tie everything together, here's what we want to look at. Like I said before, just to recap, number 1, know your marketing pillars. Number 2, write down the skills that you're going to need to tweak, enhance, or level up in order to excel in those pillars. Number 3, make sure you've got your measurable activities down. Know what you're going to be doing once you've picked up those skills and once you've activated those pillars. What is it you're doing in the day to give yourself the biggest chances at success? But here's where rubber hits the road. Number 4, what is it that you're driving towards? Just a thought. Keep that in the back of your mind. But here are 4 tips on how to set an amazing 1-year goal. Number 1, write down something you want for yourself. Be selfish. Number 2, write down something you want for somebody else. Be selfless. Number 3, what do you want your income to look like over the next 12 months? Number 4, transactions. How many do you want to do? Once you've got those 4 pieces written down, step back. Look at the last 2 things you wrote. Look at your income and your transactions. And if those numbers do not make you so excited, you won't be able to sleep tonight, but at the same time, they don't have you so scared that you can't even think straight, if those numbers don't elicit a visceral response from you, guess what? You're not pushing yourself hard enough. You've got the wrong numbers. A lot of goals people set, they may not hit. Aim high. You're capable of amazing things. Do you know why? Because for the first time ever, you've got an actual plan that you can leverage. And remember, you're not in it alone. Even if you're a single agent, new agent, anything like that, we're here. Reach out to us. Share your plans with us. If you need an accountability partner, reach out to us. We can help bridge that gap. We've got an amazing Facebook group where people are extremely collaborative and always looking for accountability partners, scripting partners. And guess what? We're here too. So reach out to us. So with those 4 steps, you now have a business plan. We host regular business planning sessions. Please, 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 I cannot stress this enough. Come hang out with us for a few hours. Let us help you put that plan in action and show you what success can look like. It's been amazing being here, being able to talk to you guys about it. And all of us at Sims Coaching Systems, we are so blessed that we get to hang out and have these conversations day in, day out with amazing people like you. So I hope this video series helped. And I tell you what, if you've created a little miniature plan, send it over to me. Let's talk about it. Talk to you guys soon.
Thank you so much for watching. If you really found this valuable, smash the like button below, subscribe to our YouTube page, and then look for more amazing content.